Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi everyone. First, let me introduce myself. My name is Nur Samsaruni. My stamp is G2U124070. I'm from class C in the Master of Public Health Study program. My presentation today will cover active tuberculosis identification based on workers' environmental sanitation during the COVID-19 pandemic. And I will be explain the key aspect that make it so relevant today. Okay. Next, background. Coronavirus disease 2019 or COVID-19 is pandemic that may complicate the active detection of tuberculosis or TB and increase the mortality rate. This passes for more effective and efficient cases finding to mitigate the possible growing number of TB mortality. Global tuberculosis report, our country, Indonesia, is ranked 3rd in the highest TB cases. The majority of cases are working productive age or 50 years of age or World Health Organization 2050. However, despite the high number of cases, there is still a low level of effective case reporting globally, especially in Indonesia, that cases late diagnosis and leads to high disease mortality. Pacher et al. 2090, Lee et al. 2090, Surya et al. 2070, Zhou, Pender, Jiang, Mao, and Tang 2019. Next, objective. The purpose of this research was to identify by among workers and to analyze the correlation between human, environmental, behavioral, and economic factors with TB findings among workers during the COVID-19 period. Next, methods. This research employing a case control method conducted from January to December 2020. In total, 120 employees were employed in this research. The employees were divided into two groups. 60 workers were employed in the TB cases group, and another 60 workers were in the control group. We report TB patients from several public health centers or puskesmas in each regency of Sumatra, Indonesia. Sputum testing was performed by the Rapid Molecular Test or GeneXpert and Zeonans to confirm the diagnosis of TB infection. We performed a CRISPR analysis to analyze factors that can influence TB cases. Next, result. 122 patients were enrolled in the study. We divided the participants into two groups. Group 1 consisted of 60 workers with active TB, and Group 2 consisted of 60 workers with non-TB infection. We then identified sociodemographic characteristics of participants such as age, gender, occupation, income, body mass index, smoking history, and a number of surrogates each day. Next, conclusion. Number first, in the conclusion, there is significant association between age, occupation, BMI, and active tuberculosis. Environmental sanitation factor that serve as risk factor and quite sunlight expert. Cases finding a process need to be improved in pandemic region and can be accomplished by identifying the associated risk factor. The TB control programs should also highlight associated variables for the reduction of TB incidence, particularly in poor living conditions. Future study can consider assessing the long-term effect, cost effectiveness, and flexibility of incorporating associated variables as a nation-scale approach. Next, current research has provide data on which variables are required for early detection and prompt treatment, especially during the COVID-19 pandemic, which has a massive impact on the tuberculosis settlement programs. Thank you. Itulah topik for today. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.